So what are you doing on a Saturday morning? There are hundreds of youth from the city of Irvine gathering at Yatopia. Yeah, you got that right. Yatopia is a part of the youth action team that also meets very regularly to do civic engagement, community service here in our city of Irvine, comprising hundreds of students who put in thousands of volunteer hours on hundreds of projects all across our city and beyond. So really proud that there's a program here like that here. And today is a summit where they'll have a chance to go to a workshop with so many interesting and relevant topics, to hear from speakers, and also to kind of celebrate community service and making a difference. Big congratulations to the city of Irvine and Yat for putting on the 32nd Yatopia.
Excited to war! Let's hear